A very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
After a long gap, we are meeting, isn't it? But I do meet you. I come to school every day because I want to give away the classes to your other subjects. Let them complete the portions. That is why almost we have completed our portions. Only this lesson we will take it. After this lesson, we will go for some writing skills. You see, before entering into the lesson, I want to tell 2-3 things. So, for 60% of my classes is used to tell you 2-3 things. Am I right, Ashwin? 60% of my classes are used to tell you 2-3
Yes,
things.
sir.
2-3 things. Only 40% is used for the textbook, but children get 95% from the textbook. So that is why it is told there is another side of the coin. So if you hear that 2-3 things, the rest of the things will be added to you. It will be given to you. So, I forgot. Aditya Raj, the hero man, the spaceman, the robotics. So, Aditya Raj created a robot, and unfortunately, I came to see that through somebody's mobile, and it was very nice, very good. It was very good, and I also thought of getting one chocolate from the tray. So it was a good effort during the time of this such kind of creative works is always appreciated. So congratulations. So I told his mother to send me the video showing his face. So anyway, good, such kind of creative works, not only robotics, write-ups also, writings also, story, poems, and all these things you can write. Drawings you can do it, such kind of modeling you can do it, fashion studies, modeling you can do it, models. Very good dishes you can make, home science, you can make very good dishes, and you can send by courier also, I can taste it. Okay, so do some creative works. So a special appreciation to Aditya Raj, even though he was not desiring to show
Thank
me.
you, sir.
He was not desiring to show me. But still, that is why I told you, if you want to cover from my eyes, I will find out. Isn't it, Gayatri? I will find out. Josie sir will find out. If you cover it up, hide it up, Josie sir will find out. So, okay, that is one thing. Secondly, I got a feedback from some of the parents. No, not our father and mother. Your father and mother is my father and mother, isn't it? So that children are not much studious at home. They always say, Mama, this is +1, no public exam. So some are saying we are attending the classes from morning till evening. So we are so tired. So afternoon, evening, no studies at home. Shivani, not about you, these people. Shivani sometimes goes to Shimla. So many of the students are not studying at home in the evenings. It is a reality. It is a reality. Naureen, are you studying? Night?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, up to what time? 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Femina, till what time?
Sir,
7 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
I don't study. That's the thing. Nandana, till what time you study? Sir, nowadays I am not studying. Yes. And now Nia, where is Nia? Nia, come to the platform. Achut, Rijas, till what time you study in the evening? Maybe, sir, we are studying up to 5 o'clock. Classes are up to 5 o'clock. So after that, we understand everything. You see, please attend. I know you understand everything. You see, we are following a pattern which is totally different from other patterns. We follow a pattern that is followed by the entrance coaching institutions. If you are here, you would have understood. +1, +2, we follow a style that is followed by the Kota entrance people. I have taken that content from Kota, Rajasthan. They are the foreigners in the entrance. Alan, Akash, Bensal, all these are famous entrance coaching centers in Kota, Rajasthan years ago. If you go and stay in a coaching center, you will be able to see, you will get up at 5 o'clock or you won't get the time to take bath. We had one student who was in there in Bangalore. So he used to come with a long hair. So I used to ask him. So he said, sir, no time to cut the hair. Such is the package. Now you are going to see next year, this year onwards, coming year onwards, we are going to have the Agash Institute in our campus. You are going to see. Then you will understand whether Joshi sir is telling lie or not. Lie or truth. Then you will realize. You are going to see. The famous Agashians are going to have the campus entrance coaching camp in our block. In our block. So you will see a Kota type entrance coaching. They are staying here. They are doing their studies, everything. You may also become a part of that. You can also that. So I was training you, giving you last year the basis for that. +1, +2 is the basis for that. That is why I tell you 60% I tell 2-3 things. 2-3 things. If you hear those 2-3 things and follow it as it is, you will be a transformed student. Rijas, you will be a transformed student. Your 90% may shoot up to 99%. I guarantee. Only one, Malavika, only one thing you should not think. Who will think? I will think. Your duty is to obey, follow the pattern. For which I have asked you to prepare a schedule last year. That is why we are going, you see, even in the midst of Corona and COVID and all these lockdown, we are going to complete our portions on time. Every year we complete our portions by January 30th. This year also, we will complete our portions before January 30th. And we will begin our annual examinations by February 1st week. I declare it. Declare means, Joseph said declare means it is already happened. And your result will be within February 15th and 20th. In the 4th week beginning, we will begin your plus 2. And your plus 2 will be completed by November 30th. You write it and keep it. 2020-21. Your plus 2 will be over by 2020-21 November 30th. Your revision will begin December 1st week. I have given you. If I have decided I will run to that, you have to run with me. You have to run with me. I have trained you last year how to run with me. Now you have to put into practice. Otherwise, what will happen? Achut, पढ़ता है हिंदी स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ता है पढ़ती हूं मैं पढ़ता हूं लेकिन कुछ आता नहीं ഒന്നും പറഞ്ഞില്ല എന്ന് Sir, my daughter is studying all the time. My son is reading all the time. He is not going anywhere else. But आंसर पेपर में कुछ नहीं मिलता मार्क നോക്കുമ്പോൾ വട്ടം You have to be in the space. There are a lot of black holes, isn't it? Black holes. Our body is also filled with the black holes. Some scientists should come here to find out the black holes. So prepare. Now you see, this is the turning point. You have to prepare a schedule, evening schedule. You prepare. If you have any doubt, discuss with me. Get the schedule and begin to prepare yourself to enter plus 2. Prepare yourself to enter plus 2 by this month. January 1st, you should be in plus 2. You write plus 1 examination being in plus 2. Being in plus 2, you write plus 1 examination. Being in plus 2, you will think about your graduation ahead towards entrance. This should be your pattern of studies. Okay? Otherwise, in the answer scripts, mark will not be there. You know many things, but you will not get the marks. Disciplined way of studies should be begun. Okay? So we will again come to the address. Now, then you will have address. Understand? If you have a disciplined way of study, after the examination, you will get address. Day before yesterday, I was searching out our elder students, those who have passed out from here. I was searching out where were they are. Then I found that around more than 50% of the students from our institution are doing their studies in very reputed institutions outside Kerala, even in abroad. They are studying in reputed institutions. In merit, they have earned. The top colleges of Delhi, top colleges of Tamil Nadu, top colleges of Bangalore, in Australia, in Georgia, in Canada, in Europe. More than 50% of the students are there. So if they could go, why can't you? This is the reason I say. This is the reason you should know the strength and potentiality and power of the place where you sit. You learn. You have to understand. Without any extra coaching or anything, our students have become great runners in the field. In the field. Getting into MBBS, getting into BDS, getting into top engineering, getting into NIT. NIT, you know, just below the IIT. NIT. Getting into REC, government colleges. Getting into ISER. We have ISERs. ISER. And I took out, even in Kerala, top colleges where they got merit entrance. So you have to follow the pattern that is given to you, the great discipline, academic discipline. You have to follow. I assure you, you can excel yourself. Then you will have an address. You will have an address. What is your address? The short form written on the right side of your name. Punya dash and dash, Punya IAS, Punya IPS, like that. That is your address. Clear now? That is your address. If you follow a strict academic discipline, you will have an address. So let us come to the address. Page number 11. I looked at the nameplate again. Darling, it said. It read in black letters on white paint, white enamel. And on the jamb, there we stop. There on the jamb, a bit higher, the number 46. So in house number 46, the name is Darling. As I walked slowly back to the station, she had already told that she came by train. Railway station, I thought about my mother, underline. I thought about my mother who had given me the address years ago. So when she found that house and she was returning from there, she remembered the address that was given by her mother. It had been in the first half of the war. I was home for a few days and it struck me immediately that something or other about the rooms had changed. So when mother gave me the address of a person, during those days I was at home. When I looked there, Nevin Soni, Reina Mariam, Steffi, Elvina, Pavitra, Sana, Aryan, Alvin, where are you now? Are you in Plavinmari or in Maladur?
Maladur. Maladur.
All of you sent one bottle sealed to school. I will send you some connection into the bottle and send to you by courier. Achut, we will make some arrangements. Achud and where is our Vidur? Vidur, we will send some net connection into the bottle and send freely so that let them open their videos. Okay. So I missed the various things. So when mother told a certain address to her, she just looked at the rooms. She found that some things were missing there. Suppose, Steffi, you were there in the hostel. And when you came to hostel, you kept certain things in the cupboard, showcase. And she was in the hostel. For the Christmas vacation, she reached home. And she made a search all the things. So she asked, Mama, I had kept something there. Where is it? So Mama says, that Vellianti's daughter came and she asked me, I gave that. Mama's daughter came and I gave that. She found something is missing. In this way, our young lady found at home some things were missing. I missed various things. Underline. My mother was surprised. I should have noticed so quickly. Mother did not know anything about Steffi's eyes. Mother never thought that when Steffi comes home, she would, first of all, she would look at the showcase. As soon as she reached home, she looked at the showcase. Where are my things? Here you see, my mother was surprised. I should have noticed those things so quickly. Then she told me about Mrs. Darling. So she asked, where are my things? So mother told, I have given those things to Mrs. Darling. Now she remembered. On those days, mother told me about a lady, and her name was Darling. Today I have seen on the jamb, Ashish, today I have seen on the jamb, Darling. I had never heard of her. I have never heard of her. But apparently, she was an old acquaintance of my mother. Old acquaintance here means old friend, one who is in touch
Sir,
with. Old friend of my mother,
sir,
whom she hadn't seen for years. There are some type of friends like that. After getting some things, then they will go. Then they will not come back. And sometimes you might have heard, oh, she is coming. That means she needs something. Whenever she is in need, she visits our house. Like that, Mrs. Darling never came after taking those things. She had suddenly turned up and renewed their contact. Since then, she had come regularly. So once upon a time, they were friends. We have studied necklace last year. Do you remember? Necklace. So they were classmates. But after so many years, they were not in touch with. Once they got remembered, and after that they were in contact. In this way, these two ladies were not in touch with for a long time. Then my mother recollected her address. Grishma, where are you? For a long time I see your black hole. Oh, she might have read this lesson. You see? Black letters on white enamel. But your board is black board with white letters. Please make it colorful. Grishma, make it colorful. So, she had suddenly turned up and renewed their contact. Since then, she had come regularly. She was a usual visitor. Every time she leaves here, whenever she leaves this house, that's the meaning. Whenever she leaves the house, she takes something home with her. Oh, very good habit. Whenever she comes and goes, she takes something. There are some people like that. They would take only pen. Some people, they would take only pen. You keep one 4 pound gold and one pen, hero pen. That person will take only pen. They won't touch the gold. There is one person called Ad Anthony, isn't it? Anthony will kill only Ad, God. You see, there are some children, they eat only chalk or pencil. They won't eat food. Specimens. So here, whenever she comes, she takes something and she goes, said my mother. She took all the table silver, underline, table silver one time. All the cutlery, table silver, spoon, fork, and knives, everything of silver. And then the antique plates, old plates. Why she was taking old plates? People take good new plates, isn't it? Why, Gayatri, why she took old plates?
They were like
Eh?
priceless.
I can't hear
They
you.
were, those old things were really
I
priceless.
can't hear you. Your sound is not, voice is not coming. Aditya Raj, why she was taking the old things? Because she was one of the staff of one of the jewelleries of Kerala. Old is gold. One advertisement is there, isn't it? Old is gold. Achut? Old is gold. Some advertisement, isn't it there? So old is gold. So she might have taken that old plate because thinking that it may become old. The meaning is that antique things are very costly. If you go to Cochin and all these things in the Matanjeri street and all these things, you will see antique things. Very old. Today in the Malayalam, I have heard that in Adirapalli, there were vintage scooters, and they were costly. The clock of 1817. You see, Mahatma Gandhi used specs. Its material cost maybe 5,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees or 200 rupees. If it keeps it an auction, what will be the cost? It may be crores because it is antique. Antique. Old jams, katla. So they are costly. Maradona's t-shirt. Sachin Tendulkar's bat. Josie sir's pen. My pen. Count it. My pen. Nevin Soni, my pen. It costs 1 crore rupees. 1 crore. Antique things are very costly. That is why she has taken some of, not at your home. If you go to somebody's house and all these things in the drawing room, you may see one carrier with a small brandy bottle, bigger brandy bottle, bigger, again bigger, full bottle. Have you seen? Not at you, at home, somebody's house. It's an attractive way they have kept. Attractive way. Brandy is there inside. They don't drink it, but it is kept as an attractive thing, valuable. And that bottle costs a lot. Antique things. That kind of bottles are not seen now also. So that is why she has taken antique plates. Underline, antique plates. Silver, table silver. she had trouble lugging those large vases. Underline, lugging means dragging, large vases. And I am worried she got a crick in her back from the crockery. Crick, a hump. So she might be troubled in pulling and taking the things. My mother shook her head pityingly. Steffi, where is Steffi? Steffi has gone. Mama's daughter came and asked your mother, Vellima, let me take that thing. So Vellima first says, oh, no, 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 that is Steffi's. When she comes, she will beat you. She will beat you. So what happens? Her Mama's daughter again asks, Vellima, 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 Vellima. When the child called Vellima, Vellima, Vellima 5 times, Vellima became so pity. She keeps silence and she stands like this. By that time, the child takes the thing and go. There was no other choice. This is what is called agrees pityingly. There is no other option. So, in this way, the young lady's mother was also permitted, darling, to take the things whatever you need. She suggested, I would never have dared asked her. She suggested, because at that time I was a child, I was very young, I had no authority, power to ask a question to her. She suggested it to me herself. She even insisted. She wanted to save all my nice things. Underline. The lady darling wanted to save, wanted to take all those things which I liked, I loved. If we have to leave here, we shall lose everything. Have you agreed with her that she should keep everything? I asked my mother. Did you agree that let she take all the things and keep it at home? As if that is necessary, my mother cried. It seems that because I am unable to oppose her, I am unable to tell her a no. It would simply be an insult to talk like that and think about the risk she is running each time she goes out of our door with a full suitcase or a bag. Underline, each time she goes out of our door, she each time goes with a full suitcase or full bag. My mother seemed to notice that I was not entirely convinced. My mother understood that whatever mother told a lie to me, it was like that, it was like that. But she realized, she understood that I didn't believe her words. She looked at me reprovingly, reprovingly, accepting one's own mistake, reprove, accept one's own mistake. And after that, we spoke no more about it. When I asked about these kind of things, my mother looked at me pitifully, pityingly, reprovingly. This is my fault. What to do? What to do? It is my fault. Then I never asked anything. I never asked anything. I want to, okay, it is time. I want to tell you one thing. You might have received the topics for art integration, isn't it? Art integrated projects or assignments. These projects shall not be too lengthy. You can make it as a sometimes it may be a chart work. A 1/4 of the chart is needed. No need a full chart. 1/4 of the chart is needed. Or you can have one collage. The collage can be done on an A4 size. Or you may be given some kind of documentation writing assignment. These assignments you can do with 3, 4, 5 maximum pages. Clear now? As you had done last year, physical education, general studies, and all these things. Like that, 3, 4 pages. That's all. Not more than 5 pages. 2 to 5 pages. Or one collage, 1 page. It can be of 1 page or 2 page or 3 page like that. It is not the no need of writing a very long one, very brief. And it should, the thing is that it should be written beautifully. You can paste pictures, so write-up will be very less. So prepare, each subject should have one art integrated project or assignment. And it should be completed by this, within 1 week. And reopening day, that means January 4th. I have given you the date 3 weeks before. January 4th, we begin 10th and 12th here in the school with the hostel. So on the day, I will call you. You have to bring all your investigatory projects, all your assignments, all your internal grade assignments, all your art integration projects, everything together, you have to bring and submit to me. I will give you timing. At that time, you have to submit. I tell you now. So art integration work, everything should be done by this coming week. And it should be kept properly packed there. January 4th, I will collect all the works. So take it very serious. Take it very serious. English art integration work is, I have given you, I think, isn't it? I have already given a comparative study of Himachal Pradesh literature and Kerala Indian literature, or Kerala literature. Literature in Kerala, literature in Himachal Pradesh. You can take two authors, make a comparative study. 3 pages or 4 sheets, 4 A4 sheet. And no need of large cover page. A4 sheet box, you write art integration assignment and write there beautifully, make a box and staple on the left side. No need of spiral. No need of spiral. For A4 sheet, staple on the left side. That's all. But it should be completed for all the subjects, 1 each. Submission date, Elvina, submission date?
20 December.
Submission to yourself. To me, it is January 4th. After completion, you can post it to your subject teacher. Clear now? This is about your assignment. And hereafter, follow, you are attending, hereafter, with a special attention, follow all the messages sent by me. Because it is end of the year and we are heading towards +2. +2 is board exam. In board exam, if I am keeping my steps, Gayatri, in the board exam year, Joshi sir is keeping my steps, then it will be different. So take it carefully. Okay. Thank you. I end the meeting.